From nothing to everything, a true story of grit. Ravi was not born into opportunity. He was born into survival. A small village, unreliable electricity, and a house where even dreams felt like a luxury. This was his starting point. While others spoke about ambitious and their ambitions, right? Ravi learned early how to manage scarcity. There were days when his biggest concern wasn't success, but simply getting through the day, right? So education wasn't a priority in his surroundings, right? It was a privilege, right? Still, Ravi walked miles every day to attend a government school, not because someone pushed him, right? But because something inside him refused to accept, acknowledge that this was all life had to offer. But determination alone doesn't make the journey easy. He failed more than once. There was exams he couldn't clear, moments when self-doubt was louder than hope, and nights when he questioned if effort even mattered. Watching others move ahead while he, stayed stuck felt like a quiet kind of pain, one that no one talks about. At one point, he almost gave up. Almost, right? What changed wasn't his circumstances, wasn't his situations, it was his mindset. Instead of chasing big success, Ravi started focusing on small wins. One chapter a day, one skill a time, one improvement every week. He stopped comparing his journey with others and began competing with who he was yesterday, right? So he worked during the day and studied at night. There were no shortcuts, no connections, no sudden breakthroughs, just consistency. The kind that feels boring, slow, and invisible. Month turned into years, and then something shifted. The same boy who once struggled to pass exams started topping. Started topping them. He started being a topper, right? The same person who had no expose began gaining recognition. Opportunities didn't come knocking, he created them, right? He didn't knocking the opportunity, he created the opportunity, right? So eventually Ravi secured a job that once felt impossible, right? He secured that job once felt impossible, not overnight, not magically, but step by step, flair by flair, lesson by lesson. Today people call it success, but Ravi knows the truth. It wasn't talent, it wasn't luck, it wasn't timing, it was just grit. It was grit. The kind of grit that shows up when motivation is gone, the kind that keeps going when no one is watching, the kind that builds everything from nothing. So what's the moral education what we get from it? That from that story, the whole story is you don't need the perfect start to create a powerful ending, right? What you need is the courage to continue, especially when it's hard, slow, and uncertain. Do you understand? So yeah.